Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on introduction and features of advertising. Let's start with the introduction. Advertising is a means by which non-personal information about products is communicated in a structured and composed manner. It is usually paid for by a known entity and it is pervasive in nature. The example of Amazon's advertising spend. After Amazon's advertising cost increased to about $11 billion, that is a $2.8 billion or 34% increase from the year before, it was officially the biggest advertiser on earth. The online retailer increased its expenditure in advertising and other promotional costs to market their products and services. According to Amazon's yearly report, even though the budget was increased at a higher rate than the sales grew by 20% to reach $280.5 billion. Moving forward, in the past decade, Amazon's expenditure on advertisements has increased by 20 times. Its advertising expenditure was $593 million in 2019, whereas in 2020 it amounted to $11 billion as per company filings. This increase in expenditure made them move ahead in the advertiser market compared to consumer packaged good companies like Unilever and Procter & Gamble. The president of global intelligence at WPP's Group M said, Amazon is likely the biggest advertiser on earth, accounting for nearly 2% of all spending. The company published in their report that the marketing expense in the total amount to about $18.9 billion, out of which $11 billion was spent on advertising and $7.9 billion was for other costs. Moving on, let's look at the features of advertising. First, systematic and creative process. It includes the pricing of ads, the planning and creation. Next, it is paid and controlled form. The advertiser holds control over the advertisement by spending on the space and time required to create it. Next, advertising in non-personal presentation. Radio, TV, digital, outdoor advertising along with press are the forms of media used which are non-personal in nature. Next, ideas. NGOs and government conduct public awareness campaigns to spread the idea. Next, goods. Advertisements generally market certain FMCG goods. Services. Advertisements also market services like telecom, insurance and banking. Next, it facilitates consumer choice. Aspects like price, features of the product are communicated to customer through ads. Customers make purchases after seeing this depending on their preference and budget. Next, target audience advertising. Communicating the right message to appropriate target demographic is the advertisement's main intention. Example, the parents of babies are the main targets of Huggies ads. Next, creativity. An advertisement should consist of artistic, productive, original and exciting content. Let's look at some examples, starting with Motorola's creative ad. Motorola collaborated with Wired to advertise Moto X personalization. The color of the phones could be changed with the help of buttons. Right in the center of the magazine pages, a set of buttons, a slab of plexiglass, 4 batteries, and 3 LEDs combined make up Moto's X interactive advertisement. The readers, with the help of its design, can personalize the rear of a Moto X and illuminate the phone with LED of 11 colors. Next, Nivea's protection ad. Nivea's son in Brazil published an ad inside a magazine where a strip could be torn out and worn as a bracelet. The strip that could be worn by kids as a bracelet was made out of humidity-resistant material. Nivea Protege was a special app designed for parents to set a distance after which the strip would trigger an alarm. This brilliant idea helped parents keep an eye on their children. Mothers that live near Rio were the main target audience for this advertisement. At the Cannes Lion International Festival of Creativity, this ad-turned-wearable device was awarded the first prize in the 3-year-old mobile category. So that's it folks, this brings an end to the topic on advertising, introduction and features. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.